What do you need to consider when starting a business? If you have the required residence permit, that's an easy question. First, you need to clarify the following points. The choice of legal structure, whether you need to register as a business person or as a liberal profession. Various aspects of commercial law. The tax assessment form, whether or not you will belong to an employer's liability insurance association. Let's take a closer look. To identify the right legal structure, it is advisable to talk to an expert. Each legal structure has its own personal, financial, fiscal and legal consequences for the entrepreneur. You may, for example, need to formulate a partnership agreement or articles of association. Freelancers register directly with the tax office. Business people, however, must first apply to the local trade office for a trading license. It is vital to register your business before you begin to run it. You also need to check whether your business requires a permit or license and supervision, or whether your skilled craft requires a license. Depending on the nature of your business, you may automatically become a member of the Chamber of Industry and Commerce or the Chamber of Skilled Crafts, to which you will pay membership fees. All self-employed persons must complete the tax assessment form online and return it to the tax office via Elster portal. You will then be given a tax number, which you will need in order to issue invoices. You must also check whether your business will belong to an employer's liability insurance association, the organisation responsible for statutory accident insurance. If you take on employees, you must register with this association within 1 week. To recap, check where you stand on these 5 points and you have taken your first steps towards starting a business. Okay, got that?